Innovation to hatch dream and quality for the future. SKT90S mining wide-body dump truck sweeps across the world since it appears. In recent years, with the rapid economic development of neighboring countries of China and African countries, the demand for mining trucks has been growing steadily and rapidly. Under the circumstance that the low operation cost and the high performance cannot coexist, the wide-body dump truck as a kind of operating vehicle, with the low cost and the strong carrying capacity in mining area, emerges at the historic moment. At the meanwhile, the defects like the frequent crack of the front suspension plate spring, the difficulty in engaging the gearbox gearing, the crack of balance axle housing, and oil leakage of the wide-body vehicles have been restricting the development of the industry all the way, which also becomes the pain point of the industry. It has been a symbolic enterprise of Chinese mining machinery industry, as well as a business card of Shenyang industry. In 2019, as the nation's prominent enterprise, SANY moves powerfully to bring its new self-developed product, SKT90S wide-body dump truck, into stage. SANY mixes the technology of wide-body mine truck with that of classical mine truck to produce the products with high performance price ratio, high attendance rate, strong carrying capacity, low fuel consumption, and low maintenance cost that have gradually replaced the traditional mine trucks in the domestic market. The new design frames with low stress and high strength can effectively avoid the fatigue crack thereof, which reduces the overall stress level by 51% as compared to the competing products. The service life and comfortableness of the whole machine has been greatly improved as adopting hydro-pneumatic suspension technology to replace the traditional plate spring structure. It completely solves the pain point of frequent crack of the front suspension plate spring in the industry and improves the attendance rate of the whole machine. The excellent shock-absorbing and cushioning performance of hydro-pneumatic suspension has dramatically improved the frame stress and increased the service life of the frame. By introducing the full hydraulic steering design concept of traditional mine truck, problems of heavy steering caused by mechanical steering of heavy trucks in the industry has been solved. In the meanwhile, the emergency steering device is equipped to solve the problem that the truck has to conduct emergency braking but could not steer, which leads to the accidents after losing power. The 2-in-1 electronic control module with high intelligence and self-diagnosis of electrical faults can solve the practical troubleshooting difficulty for customers. The 10-inch central control large-size screen is equipped with rear-view camera to achieve interoperability between the mobile phone and the Bluetooth, and is compatible with Mine Intelligent Management System. The built-in GPS module can effectively monitor the operation of vehicles. A hydraulic retarder is equipped to solve the problem of sharp reduction of the braking force caused by heat fade of the vehicle braking system in the work condition of heavy load and minus grade to guarantee the braking safety of the whole machine. Besides, it solves the problem of the need of additional equipment of a braking spray by the customer due to the braking system failing to meet the demand of working conditions, which reduces the operation cost of customer. With the new interior and exterior decoration modeling, the whole truck has an attractive appearance with a higher visual impact. The effects of sealing, sound insulation, and anti-dust of the cab is improved, and the reasonable human-machine layout increases the control comfortableness. With respect to reliability verification of key components, digital finite element analysis technology is combined with stress testing methods to stimulate the complex working conditions of the mines, and bench tests are carried out on key components such as frame system, cab system, and front suspension cylinder to ensure the reliability of products. We create excellence with innovation and drive the future with digitalization. Let the digitalization become a new recognition of SANY to gather new kinetic energy for the future development of SANY. To this end, Root Cloud has successfully connected more than 500,000 devices, and 3 major information platforms of CRM, PLM, and SCM have launched comprehensively to promote the development by Customer Cloud. With the upgrading of demands for global mining industry, SANY Heavy Equipment is making every effort to build intelligent, unmanned, and electrified green and intelligent mines through continuous R&D and innovation. In the future, SANY Heavy Equipment will adhere to its core technological innovation all the time to lead the development of the industry, constantly promote Made in China to the world, and advance bravely for the dream of contributing a world-class brand. Quality changes the world. SANY Heavy Equipment.